Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a blog post. Very simple. This is the WordPress site that I'm going to be using. We've already logged into the WordPress site, which is why we can see the bar at the top here. And when we've created our post, it will appear down here on the front page, and we'll also get a link. So let's go into the dashboard. Within the dashboard, we have a section here called Posts. So we're going to click that, Posts. Now we're in the Post section. So we've gone into the dashboard, we've clicked Posts. Now we're in the Post section. So these are two posts that have already been done. We're going to start from scratch. So let's go Add New. And here we go. Lovely. First, we'll give this post a title, so we can call it Teaching About a Post. We can go into here, and this is where we can type some content. So this is a test post. Now, what we do need to do is we need to just do some things over this side. So what I'm going to do is this button here, if we click this, then this section pops out. If we scroll down here, we can see that this is going to be where the post link's going to appear. This is a category, so this category we're going to select news. If we wanted to create a new category, we would just create new. This is where we're going to do add a picture to it. Now we need to add a picture to the post. So I've just opened this up and I'm just going to pop one of these pictures in. Always make sure that it's got a title on it. So call it Scottish Shanks Limited. So that's now got a picture to it. In here is some words that we can give to the post that appear when it's being found in search. So in this one we can say this is a test post which will be removed shortly, and that's it. So we've added some words here to the excerpt, we've added a picture, we've selected a category, we've added our content that we want, and we've given it a title. So now we can just do publish, publish again, and there we go. We can view the post. This is now going to take us into the actual post. And here we go. This is what the posts look like on here. This is the title that we gave it, automatically inserted. This is the image, it was automatically put in there. And these are my, this is my text that I added. If we go back to the front page of the site, we should see this on the blog section as well. So I'm just going back to the front page of the site now. And if I scroll down here to the blog section, just as it's loading up, this is the new post that I've just created. So, hope that's been useful. That is how you create a post.